Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add background color to plot area of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add background color to plot area. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Then insert a chart. Then click on the middle of this chart and here we select the plot area. Now we want to add background color to this plot area. Click right button on this mouse, then go to format plot area and we can see here opened fill color. We choose the solid fill, then select another color of this color drop down menu. Then we close the window. Now we can see here we added background color to plot area of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.